Hey guys, it's the Diamond Exploders, and today I'm gonna be reviewing and flying one of my favorite airplanes, helicopters. Right here. Oh, sorry you can't see, guys. Hold it, dear. I'm gonna be showing you guys flying the TX Juice helicopter with its very own controller. It is awesome. So I'm gonna go get flying, and you know this button right here? This button that's this button right here. If you hold it, and if you're flying and you hold it, and you'll land automatically for you. So I'm just gonna start and fly this thing. So right here, see if it's kind of better. Like a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Use one of my library books, Malcolm at Midnight. Okay. So my plane, I'm going to fly it. I might fail. Oh shoot, no, I failed. Ah, poor flying. Oh, no. Land in front of the camera. Come on. Come on. Ah. You gonna be on TV flying? Yeah! I didn't crash. I have a better idea. Just gonna like, how about I just put it like right here, so y'all can see anything. Yeah, that's good. That's better. So my plane's right here. Oh shoot. Wow. This time it's gonna be facing you guys. No. Okay. That was a good idea. Yeah, over here. It's kind of raining outside. Oh. So let's just close the door. So yeah, it's okay. Good. So you can see my plane. It's right here. Move it closer a little bit. Okay, so my plane's right here. Yeah, no, that's out. I think it's out of battery almost. I almost used. No, you can't do this to me. And it's dead. So that's it, guys, for this video today. If you want to get this, this plane with this cool controller and awesome landing. It's so cool. Just turn it off. Yeah, it's just so cool. You should get one and fly and make your own showcase for my fellow subscribers. And I'm making this video short because my phone's about to die. So yeah, so I would make it like 22 minutes long. So that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys, and I'm out.